Ang kantang to ay isa sa pinaka masaya po ako na sinulat ko.
All of you, a happy 80th anniversary Unilab.
Ito naman yung energy nyo dito. Pero parang, for me, kulang pa. Parang kailangan pa, kaya pa nating taasan. Tama? Yes? Okay. But before I proceed to my last song, syempre hindi ko pa palampasin magpasalamat sa inyong mga suking nandito ngayon. I truly felt all your husay, malasakit, alaga all the way on the stage. Kaya congratulations on your 80th year, Unilab and Mercury Drug! Ito pa, pwede tayong tamaan ng sakit ng ulo kahit saan. Kaya lalo na sa mga special moments like this, today dapat always prepared. So remember to always bring your Biogesic with you. Anytime, anywhere, para sure na may malagi tayong dalang alaga. Are you guys ready? Ito muna, magpapapromise ako sa inyo. Promise niyo ako na sasayaw kayo tonight. Ay, kulang. Ayoko na. Bye na po. Joke lang. Isa pa, are you guys ready? Then let's cue the music! Let's go! Maraming salamat po!
Once again, Bel Mariano! Welcome to the Suki stage, Bel.
Well, thank you for celebrating with us here tonight.
Thank you so much! Maraming salamat po for having me.
As expected, mukhang nag-enjoy talaga ang ating mga Suki sa performance mo ngayon.
Opo, nakakapagod na.
Oo, bakit?
Pero masaya po akong nakita ko po Kuya Lab dito sa kaya maraming salamat po. And of course, congratulations to Unilab and Mercury Drug.
Yan. Pwede pa namin mahinga ng kaunting message lang for our Unilab, mga Suki and Mercury Drug.
Maraming salamat po sa mainit yung pagtanggap sa akin dito. Sobrang game na game po kayo sa pagsayaw. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Happy 80th anniversary.
On behalf po sa lahat ng mga nagbabandang banda dito sa Pilipinas, maraming salamat po, Unilab. Maraming salamat po, Mercury Drug, sa tulong din sa aming mga musikerong Pilipino. For the 80 years! 80 years! At ito na po ang aming huling awitin. Araneta, hindi po kami mapilit na tao o mga banda. Kaming banda din namin kayo pipilitin. Pero kung naramdaman nyo lang na gusto nyong tumalon, gusto nyong magsaya, liibitahan po namin kayong lahat. Hindi po kami marunong magpaalam o mag-goodbye kasi alam lang namin gawin ay ito. Goodbye, kamusta ka na? Palagi kita pinapanood, nakikita.
All of you, a happy 80th anniversary Unilab and Mercury Drug. Maraming salamat po for having me. Okay pa po ba kayo? Alright, of course, before anything else, I hope you guys are still doing okay. Thank you so much for coming out tonight. And sana po ay ma-enjoy niyo po ang mga inihanda namin performances for all of you. Maraming salamat po. So for my next song, this is from my latest album, which was released a few weeks ago. It's called Ikaw Pa Rin. And this song is actually part of the show called PBB. So ito po ang naging bagong eviction song nila for PBB Collab. And this was written by Sir Jonathan Manalo. If you guys know the song, please sing along. And here it is for all of you. Okay, and now for the next song, this is one of the songs that I'm sure alam niyo po. This is actually one of my first few singles after I joined The Voice Kids. And it's from my debut album. So kung alam niyo po ito, sana po ay sabayin niyo po ako. And let's all activate our sound-sensitive lights at sabayan niyo po ako sa pagkanta. This is called In Love Ako Sa'yo. Thank you, everyone. And again, the feeling of Alaga continues to flow tonight. Thank you so much to Unilab and Mercury Jug for dedicating this evening sa ating mga suki. And I know that music is really a beautiful way to connect everyone, regardless of their generation. So maraming salamat po. Again, I am Darren. And please enjoy the rest of your evening, especially with the rest of our amazing artists. Here we go!
Pero sa kantang to, sino ba ditong bigo? Sino ba ditong iniwan? Okay lang yung iniwan minsan eh. Pero ang mahirap kasi yung pag iniwan ka tapos di mo alam. Nagising na lang po siya, isang araw, hindi ka na niya mahal. Diba? Mapapatanong kasi yung bigla ng ano, kailan mo? Alam niyo ba yung kanta na yan, Nananeta? Okay, sabayan niyo ako dito ah. Game? Okay, let's go. Ang kantang to ay isa sa pinaka masaya po ako na sinulat ko. Tungkol po siya sa mga tao na hindi natin nalilimutan. Sa mga tao na naaalala natin isang beses sa isang araw. And you know what? Ako para sa akin, feeling ko ang pinakamasakit na form of love is letting go. Kasi nalilimutan natin na form of love siya. Sa sobrang mahal mo yung tao na yun, pinakawalan mo siya. Hindi mo naman gustong mangyari yun eh. Diba? Or minsan, bigla-bigla na lang silang nawawala ng walang pasabi. And etong mga taong to, yung akala mong lagi mong masusumbungan. May nasusumbungan ba kayo, Raneta?
Wala!
Ako din. Ito yung mga tao na akala mo masusumbungan mo, yun pala sila pa yung aaway sa'yo. Wow! Pero, you know what? Love is love. Kahit anong mangyari, kahit sinaktan nila tayo, kung alam mo sa sarili mong nagmahal ka ng tama, hindi ka talo. Kaya minsan masakit pag nakikita natin yung kahel na namin. Naalala natin sila. Gusto niyo bang marinig yun? Sige. Mababa muna para manamnam niyo yung lyrics. Okay pa yung Naraneta? Nilalabas akong album. Kumari masaya kayo, 1, 2, 3, go. Yung album na to, ang tawag po sa kanya ay Color Coaster. So, pansin nyo, medyo marami po akong nire-release ng mga kanta na tungkol sa kulay, ganyan. So, ito pong album na to ay magiging tungkol dyan. It will consist of 10 songs. Oh, dami. So, sana po, abangan po nyo yan. Meron na po kaming release date. Gusto nyo pong malaman? Sa September 19, 2030. Sa September 19, 2025. Kunwari masarang na ulit. So, lalabas na po yan ulit sa September... September 19. So, ayun po, ang first ever full-length album ko. It will be called Color Coaster. Okay, tama ng promotion. Okay, ano bang paboritong kulay ng Araneta ngayong gabi? Ano? Ano? Okay, yung dilaw kasi nandun sa backstage eh. Sino ba tawagin ko?
Si Malo!
Okay, joke, nag-aayos pa sila eh. So, ngayong gabi, si Unilab muna yung dilaw ko. Okay ba yan, Unilab? Okay. This song is called Dilaw. Sing-along kayo para lang mo kasing ilaw. Di ba tama po? Sing-along kayo ah. Sing-along. Very good kids.
Kung naman obvious naman sa inyong lahat na Kaya siguro ako nandito ngayon, 80 years, medyo ako yung pinakamalapit sa mga artista, ako yung pinakamalapit na edad dun sa 80 years na yan. I have been doing this is my 42nd year. And I am so happy to be able to see all of you. Some are like this, and some are like this. Na parang hanggang ngayon, bakit? Tumitibok pa rin ang pusong ito para sa inyong lahat. So, I want to do this next song because it was requested for me to do. Hindi ko alam kung sino o kung taga Unilab or Mercury ang nag-request nito. But, maybe we can do this.
And now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
To step up on this stage was on December 20 and 22 of 2024. Siguro na balitaan nyo na yung isang concert hindi ko natapos because I suffered severe food poisoning. So I threw up 9 times before I stepped out on a stage like this here at the Araneta Coliseum. But this place is so historic for me, friends. Because I'm sure na ilan sa mga kanta ko ay narinig nyo nung medyo alam nyo na yun. Maybe your kuya or your ate played my music, or maybe your mom or your dad, tita, tito, lola, lolo. But you know what I think I'd like to do right now, if it's okay? I'd like to sing some songs for you that have forever remained special in my heart because I feel that at least to some of you here, the songs landed in your hearts as well. I'm not going to say much about this. Instead, I'd like to sing about it. Woo! Kasi it's really hard to live up to the expectations of others. So what I do many times is I just count my blessings. And one of the biggest blessings for me is to be able to celebrate 80 years of both the collaboration between Unilab and Mercury. Alam niyo, nakailang show na ako para sa Unilab. Sana hindi po kayo magsawa sa akin, ha? Marami pa akong pwedeng kantahin para sa inyo, ha? But I'm here now. And the thing is, young people and the not so young people, for me, I miss the whole point. Kung ang gagawin ko lang dito ay mag-entertain. What I want to do is to give you a chance to take home a blessing with you. And so tonight, I'm so thankful that I have with me a dear, dear, dear friend. In fact, related sa akin kasi parang pamangkin ko siya. His name is RJ De La Fuente. And we just recently released a video and a recording of a song called Blessings.
What's up, Araneta and Go? What's up, Araneta and Stacy? Hi, Araneta, it's Mika. Hi, everyone, I'm Malone. Hi, everyone, I'm Aya. Hi, guys, I'm Colette. Hi guys, I'm Sheena. What's up? It's Joanna. And we are Grabe. Wow. Hi everyone. Lahat na nasa taas. Thank you so much everyone for joining us tonight. Hindi nyo alam kung gaano kami kasayaw na makasama kayo ngayong gabi. Yes, and yun nga, katulad ng sinabi ni Ate Maloy, ang sarap na kasama namin kayong ni-celebrator dahil especially that this is not an ordinary anniversary concert but a celebration of 80 years of Alaga para sa bayan.